Want to see your YouTube search history? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your history on YouTube in just a few seconds. So, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Right away, you'll see a list of your recent searches. Now go back and tap on your profile icon in the top or bottom corner. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Now find and tap on Manage All History. Here, you'll be able to see your complete search and watch history all in one place. From here, you can also manage or delete your history if you want to keep things private. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your YouTube history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.